Take a moment and take a look at media albums and how you can use them in your Schoology course. So I'm going to go to my Schoology course. So we're going to create a scavenger hunt for the students. So they're going to go out and take photos of signs of spring. So what we're going to do is we're going to add materials and add media album. And so we're going to put in a title. This is what the students will see. Now the nice thing about media albums is a little bit different than assignments. Students actually will be able to see each other's photos. So this is a great way to show, maybe if you had them all do a project and you want the parents to be able to see them. So this is a great way for all the parents to be able to see projects. Think about field trips that you take. This is a great way for the teacher to share photos of the field trip while still keeping it in-house in a contained environment. But this is also a way that students can show what they're doing and their fellow classmates can see. So I will put in that. And then we'll put in a description. You will see there's some options down here at the bottom. So the 3 dots is the same as what you would see in an assignment. So if I want to individually assign this to a certain group of students, I could do that. The green dot means it's published. So as soon as I hit create, the class can see it. So if I'm working ahead of the kids, I might want to click that green dot and unpublish it, and then come back and republish it once I'm ready for the students to do this. The little speech bubble is comments. So once students upload their photos, they are able to then go in and comment on each other's photos. This one is for instructors and students to upload things to the media album, or if this is just me and I'm uploading photos from their field trip to somewhere, then I can change it so it's just the instructor. And of course, we know that the clipboard means I can copy it to other courses. So if you are a middle school or a high school teacher, this is something that you can copy into your different courses and only have to create it once. So we'll click create. You'll see that it gives me the option if I want to upload an example. So sometimes I maybe want to do an example of this is what I'm looking for, but I'm going to leave the students out on their own and see what they come up with. So I'm going to hit cancel. And so you can see it actually takes me right into my scavenger hunt. And so if I go back into my course materials, you can see this is what it's going to look like for the students. Students have gone out and added things to the media album. Let's go back and look what it looks like for the teacher. So we'll go back into that media album. So I can see all the photos that have been added, and you see as I mouse over it, you can see who submitted it. If I click on the photo, you can see I can add a comment. I can toggle through the different photos by using these arrows right here. Now, looking at this photo, I can see that Mickey Mouse submitted it, but obviously the umbrella street in Puerto Rico is not a sign of spring for us right here in West Virginia. So, see this gray gear? If I click that, I can delete it. And click delete.